Does the smell of your pet tend to linger around your house like mine? Today I want to fix that by going to the smelliest object in my house, my dog's blanket. Let me show you how I'll do it. To take on my dog's smelly odor, I'm going to be using EnviroKlenz's liquid laundry enhancer. You guys know I love finding non-toxic products to use, so this is the latest one in my arsenal. The ingredients are really transparent and simple, and it's a safe way to remove chemicals and strong odors from clothing and other types of fabric. Now that it's out of the dryer, Zane and I are happy to share that it's free from odors. For now.